Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another exciting episode. I'm so glad you could join me today. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. We have so many delicious dishes lined up just for you. Your support means the world to me. Every like, comment, and share helps us bring more tasty recipes to your kitchen. Today I've got a super simple and delicious egg salad recipe for you, and I promise it only takes 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. Perfect for sandwiches, wraps, or just on its own. This versatile dish is a must-have in your recipe collection. Let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients. You'll need a few simple items that you probably already have in your kitchen. 4 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and chopped. These are the star of our dish, providing that rich, creamy texture. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. This is what makes the salad nice and creamy, giving it that classic egg salad taste. 1 teaspoon of mustard. This adds a nice tangy flavor that balances the richness of the eggs and mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped red onion. This gives a bit of crunch and a slight sharpness to the salad. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh chives. These add a fresh, mild onion flavor and a pop of color. Salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings enhance all the other flavors. A pinch of paprika for a little kick. It adds a subtle heat and a beautiful color. All right, now that we have everything ready, let's make this egg salad. It's so quick and easy, you'll be amazed. Step 1, take your chopped hard-boiled eggs and place them in a mixing bowl. Make sure they're chopped to your preferred size. Next, add in your 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. This is what makes the salad nice and creamy. You can adjust the amount based on how creamy you like your salad. Then add the teaspoon of mustard. This gives it a nice tangy flavor. If you like it a bit more tangy, feel free to add a little extra. Now, for a bit of crunch and flavor, add your finely chopped red onion and fresh chives. These ingredients add a wonderful texture and freshness. These little additions make all the difference. They elevate the egg salad from good to great. Sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Remember, you can always add more later if needed. Don't forget the pinch of paprika. It adds a subtle heat and a beautiful color to the salad. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Make sure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Look at that creamy goodness. It's perfectly mixed and ready to enjoy. And just like that, your egg salad is ready to serve. It's so quick and easy, you'll wonder why you haven't made it sooner. You can enjoy it right away or let it chill in the fridge for a bit to let the flavors meld together. Chilling it can enhance the flavors even more. Personally, I love it on a toasted sandwich with some fresh lettuce. The crunch of the lettuce and the creaminess of the egg salad is a perfect combination. So good! And there you have it, folks. A delicious egg salad ready in just 3 minutes. It's perfect for any meal or snack. A delicious egg salad ready in just 3 minutes. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try and love it as much as I do. It's a staple in my kitchen, and I'm sure it will be in yours too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Your support helps us keep creating delicious content for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking. Keep experimenting and enjoying your time in the kitchen. See you soon.